Okay, we are going to clean the kitchen. It is a mess, so that's what we're doing. Right, guys, my kitchen is all clean. Well, it's clean enough, so okay, hopefully you enjoyed my kitchen cleaning vlog. I'll be posting more videos, but we'll see. I'm still trying to explore with this camera. I'm happy with it, but it's not what I thought it would be like. It's definitely a lot of work, and it's already 10 o'clock, and I have to be up by 4:50 tomorrow morning. So we'll circle back later. Hopefully you like my vlogs. Please like and subscribe if you do like them, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.